Parex Devco Singapore is part of the International Parex Group, a global leader in the supply of specialized mortar with operations spanning across more than 20 countries around the globe. Several millions of dollars are spent on each public upgrading project, which includes toilet upgrading in HDB flats. Installing toilet waterproofing using conventional systems takes several days to complete, which is a hassle to the residents, and the dust adds to their irritation.
The most inconvenient aspects of upgrading is we cannot use the toilet. It is very inconvenient for me, especially for my daughters. They don't like to use the common toilet provided. We have to purposely arrange them to go to my relative's house to take shower, which is very troublesome.
Parex Devco's latest breakthrough innovation, the Rapid Repair System, is designed to speed up toilet upgrading while reducing mess on site. It is now possible to have the toilet waterproofing system installed in one day with less dust, less mess.
The Rapid Repair System is much faster than the old system. The toilet that is using the Rapid Repair System, the contractor has finished their work, but the toilet that is using the conventional system, they're still doing their work. The upgrading work is so messy and dusty. But I noticed that the Rapid Repair System creates less mess. There's no so much dust in my house. It is cleaner and healthier for my family.
I can do my work much faster with this system as compared to the older conventional system. Instead of taking 3 days of complete one toilet, we can now finish in one day, saving time and money for my company.
Parex Devco's Rapid Repair System consists of 3 components. Devco NS Grout Rapidex is a rapid-setting non-shrink grout. Devco K11 Flex Rapidex is a fast-setting waterproofing membrane. Devco Hydro Screed Rapidex is a fast-setting waterproofing screed. Devco Rapid Repair System is a waterproofing system that can be installed in a few easy steps. After hacking off the old toilet flooring, remove any loose particles. Clean and moisten the surface. Second, form a pasty mix with Devco NS Grout Rapidex to construct the fillet along the edge of the toilet area. Third, add the water to get a flowing mix with Devco NS Grout Rapidex and trowel across the toilet area to level the surface. Fourth, apply a first coat of Devco K11 Flex Rapidex waterproof membrane. Within an hour, the second coat of K11 Rapidex can be applied. Unlike conventional repair systems, our Rapid Repair System is fast-setting, allowing the subsequent finishing to be laid earlier, reducing waiting time. This increases the workers' productivity and reduces the overall labor cost of the project. Install a layer of Devco Hydro Screed Rapidex. Lastly, commence with a water ponding test. Devco Rapid Repair System allows you to install the waterproofing system and conduct a water ponding test within the same day, reducing your project lead time and speeding up your project completion time. Parex Devco's Rapid Repair System is clearly the preferred choice by residents and contractors for every toilet upgrading project.